Ohayou gozaimasu from Tokyo. We're parked up here at King Buyer. What?
Not Japanese.
Yes, I am. Today we're actually on our way to Top Secret, but on the way we thought we'd stop into a few shops. So we're here at King Buyer. This Tundra here, actually seen quite a few of these. So yeah, we've got a whole lot of Toyotas mainly here. JZXs, heaps of Supras. These JZXs are very nice. That's cheap. They're all pretty cheap. Nice. Check out all the Supras, and there's even more on the other side. I'm actually digging this one. It's actually pretty cheap. It's about 11 grand NZ. This one's sick as well. I like the flares on it. Holy crap, look at all the Supras. By crikey. Wow. Supras everywhere. Actually a better price than I thought. Like this one's maybe 22, 23 KNZ. Nice stock tidy example. It's a nice colour there. Alright, so this one must have some serious work done because that's like 70k or something. Roll cage and everything. Be interested to see what's under the bonnet of this bad boy. Another nice black one here. Not a bad lineup at all. They're actually a better price than I thought over here. I thought they were reaching up 30, 40,000 New Zealand dollars. Not sure if that one's turbo or not. That seems too cheap. I don't think it's turbo. Interesting wing on that one. All these JZXs are very nice. Oh, I just want to buy more stuff. If only. So I believe this may be their other lot down here. Got the Sora, Altezas, more Supras back here. It's another nice black one. Very tidy. These ones have missing parts and stuff, but I'm sure someone overseas would like to snap those up. Got another Chaser over there, looks like a TRD maybe, and another Supra there. Crazy to think, that they're just chilling in lots like this. Not even indoors. Now we have to pay for this flippin' parking. We've only been here 5 minutes. Quite cool to own one of these. Did a flap come up? Free one. Oh, customer parking. Hey. Alright, well that's that. We're off to the next workshop. Alright, next stop, I think we're gonna go past Garage R. We've already been there before, but we'll just see if there's any new cars there. May as well, because we're going past it anyway, before we go see old Smokey Nagata. Alright, so we think Garage R has moved location or something, so we decided to come straight here to Top Secret. Yeah, the one and only. Wow. Check this out, it's just rotting away here. It's just a normal GT, not a GTR, but pretty crazy. So this is a shop here, whole bunch of parts. Just got 2 GTR engines sitting down here. Check out the welds on this thing, holy crap. So there's just loads of GTRs in there. Nice FD here, scrapped R32s. Just a 35. So yeah, we can't actually go in the workshop. I have heard it's very hard to actually go inside the workshop, which is understandable, but still pretty cool to see it. Didn't really get any footage, but to look inside there, it's just GTRs everywhere in the workshop. So our next destination, don't know. Another quick smoker at 7-Eleven. To be honest, we're getting to the stage where we've seen that many cars in workshops that it doesn't actually excite us that much anymore. Sounds weird to say it, but it's kind of the truth. There's so many workshops and car yards and stuff to see, but it kind of gets a little bit repetitive. in a way. What is that?
Strawberry smoothie. I just, you know, just need a mint and cheese pie, really. Mint and cheese pie and some Sunday roast.
And a hangi. People don't realise how difficult it is, I guess, to get to each place. Like, the traffic and driving here just takes so long. It's like half an hour to an hour just to get to each workshop and like destination. Struggle is real. We're used to living in a town where one side of town to the other is bloody 15 minutes. What's honestly made us broke over here is the bloody toll roads. We've spent so much, it's ridiculous. We're trying to avoid them just to save money, but sometimes it's just got to be done because it's like half the time. We've spent probably nearly $1,000 on tolls already. It's ridiculous. Definitely didn't budget for that much. Now we are sitting here at 7-Eleven, wondering what to do. I mean, look, they've got all these workshops here, but boy oh boy, so far away. So we're here at Top Secret. We live over here. Just to get from Yokohama to here was like 2 hours. And it doesn't even look that far, mate. Here we are. Wow. So, after an hour and a half drive, if not more, we're here at HKS. Damn. Oh, better turn me lights off. Alright, so I know this place is pretty damn big because I saw it on Tommy Effier's video. He got the grand tour of this place. He went upstairs and everything. Here's the workshop. We've got two R35s up on the hoist. Two 34s sitting here. Check inside, eh? Wow. How you like the welds on that? Wow, wow, wow. Pretty cool display. 26, just chilling here. Hey, check this out. All their boxes of brand new parts. Got a Evo 10 over there. I just went to the toilet at HKS. These two here, immaculate. Holy crap. Damn. So we just left HKS. Not actually a hell of a lot to see, to be quite honest, but oh, I'll still cool to go there. Yeah, most of these workshops won't actually let you go in the workshops and have a tour around. Like, it's understandable. Imagine you're at your work and then people are just roaming around your workshop. Goddamn tolls, seriously. S15, 33, June. Civic here in their back lot. Got a few GTRs down the end here. Wow. Nice. A few Sylvias in the corner. Two-tone. Oh, they're all so clean. Looks like they've actually got their dyno bay there too. 35. Alright, we're here. This beautiful Spec S15. Very tidy. Looks like a Vertex body kit on it. Actually looks very similar to my old white one. It's got a cage in it too. Don't know if I locked this thing. Fuck, I'm bad at not locking this, eh? 33. We'll go hoist on inside and see what they got. Pretty wicked valve covers on these things. Check out this little SR. It's quite nice that, eh? It's a hectic manifold. That's the low mount of all low mounts. Well, once again, not a lot to see at all. Unless you can go in the workshops, you're not going to see much, and it's pretty near impossible to get into the workshops unless you, I don't know, speak real good Japanese, and they're very kind, but even then, they're probably still not willing to let you in. Alright, so here we are at a spot where we came last year. Thought we'd just pop in, on our way back to Yokohama where we're staying. Just thought we'd see what cars they've got, what different cars they've got here. This is a huge yard, just full of JZXs and Silvias. Got the S15 here. 86, 180, S14, S13. It's not a bad price. Only 105 Ks on it, and it's got a sunroof. 14, Mark II, JZX 100, Chaser, S13 over there. Just everything's just crammed in here. Holy crap! Whole lot more down there. I'll go check it out. Got an Evo 5 here for sale, 16K NZ. Hit me up and I'll be able to hit up the owner for you. Another Mark II, stockish. Mark II, work wheels. Yeah, there's not many, well, if any, cars the same from last year. This is a pretty cool colour, interesting colour. JZX 90, 86,000 Ks. Check out the colour on this. This looks like it's got the whole 9 yards. Got brakes, wide body. Quite nice. Oh, even got an RX-7 here. Check out the mirrors on this thing. They're like supercar mirrors. That's pretty cool. 110s, whole of the 110s, Evo 10, 180. Oh my god. Cars for Africa. Chasers down here. They're all quite modified too, with nice Cresta, with like kits on them and whatnot. Holy crap. Don't know why that one's so expensive. Okay, so judging by my Japanese, it's got a GT307 6R and it's got a 6-speed, so it's probably got the Supra box or something. Another Mark II. Chasers, very nice. Oh, we even got a Evo 8 MR, I think. That's very tidy. Wonder how much that is. Another Chaser. Wow. Only 78,000 Ks and it's probably 24 grand NZ, 25. That's pretty good. Those are fetching for quite a bit more back home. Another S15. Damn. 90. Another 90. Wow, this is a cool colour. Check that. Only 75,000 Ks. GT 2835 on it. That's about 20 grand NZ. That one's quite a bit cheaper. Got a Supra back here. RX-8, more Chasers. C35, Laurel. S14. It just keeps going and going. So crazy. I think this is more the Rex. Got a Crash Mark II. FD RX-7. Nice 180 here. Another S15. 180, the S13 front. S15 up there on the hoist. Check out the kit on this Chaser. Holy crap. So wide.
Is that a fiberglass special?
Yeah, it's all moulded in quite nicely.
Yeah.
So this Mark II here's got like some kind of livery on it. Quite interesting. Just keeps going all over there. More Silvias. Wheels everywhere. Holy, she doesn't get more stock than this Mark II. 80,000 Ks on it. Factory wheels. Right, well, I think that's probably it for this video today. It's now night time, another day. Pretty slow day, just driving around half the day, trying to find stuff. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and last few days here in Japan, so not too sure what else we're gonna do. We've kind of covered most things. So yeah, see you in the next one.